Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and access. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts. Next, remove visible trim and covers. Use painter's tape to protect paint. Pry clips gently. Spray rusted bolts with penetrant and let sit for 5-10 minutes so they break free. Use the correct sockets, 10-19 mm, and work methodically. Lose nothing. Once the outer fasteners are off, move to hidden screws under the bumper and in wheel wells without delay. Once outer bolts are loosened, support the front assembly. Either prop it on a padded stand or have an assistant hold it. You want to avoid strain pulling on wiring or tearing tabs. Now disconnect all electrical connectors, fog lights, sensors, and any harnesses. Press release tabs and label connectors as you go. Work from the center outward, freeing retaining clips and tabs. If something resists, locate the hidden screw or clip instead of forcing it. Make sure components are supported before you remove the final fasteners. You can now lift the frontal assembly straight off. Keep it level and set it on padded supports. Inspect mounting points, clips, and the impact bar for damage. Replace broken clips and clean corrosion so reinstallation aligns. Take note of bolt sizes and torque specs for later. If the assembly sticks, don't pry hard. Apply heat to the painted area to loosen adhesive or reapply penetrant to seized fasteners, then try gently rocking it free. If wiring won't unplug, check for hidden retainer tabs before forcing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.